We'll guide you through how to use Printify Premium to elevate your print-on-demand business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the lower right corner and select Printify Premium to explore the available Printify Premium options. Printify Premium offers you a 20% discount on all products, which can significantly increase your profit margins. To subscribe, click on Get Started and follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Once you're subscribed, you can start taking advantage of the discounts right away. Now, let's create a product to see how the discount works in practice. Go to the My Store tab and click on Create New Product. Select a product type like a t-shirt and choose a design template. Upload your design, adjust it to fit perfectly on the product, and click Next. On the product details page, you'll see the discounted price thanks to your premium subscription. Set your retail price, ensuring you factor in shipping costs to maintain a healthy profit. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to add the product to your store. One of the great benefits of Printify Premium is access to over 90 print providers worldwide, allowing for faster shipping in a wider range of products. You can easily switch between providers to find the best fit for your business needs. Remember, with Printify Premium, you also get priority support, which can be a lifesaver if you encounter any issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.